Hi friends, welcome to Simply Jain. This is your host Kushalisha.
And this is my foodie partner Fatima. Wondering why no recipe today?
Yes, because at Simply Jain, we are starting with an all-new segment, that of product reviews. And our first product review being that of Snackables. So let's start unboxing the first one. This is a pretty box.
Oh, there are many items in this.
Yeah, so
5
items. So let's begin with the first one.
Item. So the first product which we are going to review is fruit medley, which has kiwi, mango, papaya, cranberry, pineapple in it. These are the dry fruits, which is really very high in fiber and which is low in sugar. So let's start reviewing this product. So this is mango, I guess. So let's
Cranberry, kiwi, and pineapple. So this is a good snack, especially for people like me who actually are out having unhealthy things only. And I like it, and I think so did you. So we would like to give this snack a thumbs up. So the product that we are going to review next, Oats Chia chocolate bites. They sound very interesting. I think finally. So okay, they are in some small cute little packets.
They are so
and we have 8 or 9 of them.
Okay.
So we will taste oats and chocolate around.
They are
really nice. They're really nice. A good way of making children have oats and such healthy, nutritious products. And I remember we've also shot a product of that of Nutri bars. So they taste very similar. One more good part that this additionally has, it has a layer of chocolate in it. And this item is priced at ₹75. This is something really good that you can munch on, especially because it's healthy and delicious.
So the third product is roasted soyabean mix, which contains watermelon seeds and masoor seeds, which is really high on fiber and protein. Vegetarian food lacks omega-3 and soyabean is one of the things which contains omega-3.
This is one good added advantage regarding this snack. And seeds are something that we do not usually have in terms of snacks.
And especially, even watermelon seeds are very good for your hair. So
it's very crunchy, masaledar.
I feel it's like a perfect chakna in a healthy way.
So we usually land up having fried items during evening snacks and having something which is roasted, healthy,
and tasty. It is for ₹60 and I think this is really worth the price. The next product is Very Berry Trail Mix, which is a combination of cranberry, sunflower seeds and strawberries. It's really high on protein and omega-3.
So here you have your strawberries and cranberries and your sunflower seeds.
And I'm sure sunflower seeds is something which we usually never have it otherwise.
You could have it raw, but I think it would be better off
with Greek yogurt.
Otherwise, this is very sweet, and because of the sunflower seeds, it gives a slight crunch, which is good. Now there's the second box that we are going to unveil. Here we have these colorful dipsters, and Snackible has come up with its new entire product line of dipsters, and I'm extremely excited to try all of these. The packaging is very
really nice. So the first one which we are going to try is the creamy cheesy dip, which has Masala Ragi chips. So it's quite different because usually it's only Ragi chips. These are Masala Ragi chips. Oh, see the packaging.
The dips are kept individually and it is packed differently. Cheesy dip.
And Ragi chips are really very healthy because it's not just made of maida. This is made of urad dal or rice flour. So it's quite healthy compared to the normal chips which we usually have.
The combination is very unique. Masala chips, creaminess and the texture of the cheese dip is also complementing the entire ragi chip flavor. So now let's move on to
the second one. So that is the spicy mayonnaise with Jalapeno Ragi chips. Oh wow!
Jalapeno Ragi chips, spicy mayo dip, and the flavor, the aroma
smell is so good.
Is good.
And there's actually the real taste of jalapeno also. And And this is like naturally is also again like children don't like it, but the dips are so tasty. I'm sure they are going to love
A
it.
very good amalgamation of two different items. One go-to snack for everyone.
Yeah.
Now let's try the other one.
Piri Piri Ragi chips. One which is like really in trend right now.
Chips and
Cheesy jalapeno dip.
the texture of the dip again looks extremely rich and creamy.
The Piri Piri Ragi chips are extremely nice. Like even if you have it alone, you are surely going to like it.
But I would prefer along with the dip.
No, I like it alone also.
All three are extremely pocket friendly.
They're just 30 rupees.
So now
let's
time to
just
try the dessert item that we've kept for the last. The best for the last.
Yeah.
Chocolate chip
With
waffle
chips.
chips. These are your waffles with chocolate dip and perfect for somebody who has a sweet tooth.
We are done reviewing the products.
And we found Snackible extremely unique,
Healthy
pocket friendly,
and tasty.
and we are along with them in terms of revolutionizing healthy snacking. But wait. We have something in store for you. Here at Simply Jain, we are going to hit a 40,000 subscriber base. And for that, we would like to conduct a question answer session where we are interacting with our viewers.
And to participate in the contest, you all can ask any question with the hashtag AskSimplyJain. You all can ask questions related to Ask Simply Jain or our journey.
And two of the interesting questions that we'll be answering will be gifted with a Snackable product hamper. Hope you like our new entire segment of product reviewing. And don't forget to subscribe to Simply Jain for a new video every Tuesday.